Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and today we're unlocking a powerful LinkedIn strategy that turns casual post interactions into concrete sales opportunities. Honestly, you might as well just forget about manual browsing because I'm about to show you how to automate and scale this process while accessing thousands of verified emails and phone numbers to extend your reach beyond LinkedIn. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Scraping LinkedIn post likers and commenters isn't just about gathering data. It's about understanding who your audience is and how they interact with your content. Let's break down the process. First, you'll need the URL of the LinkedIn post you're interested in. Once you have that, it's as simple as using a LinkedIn scraping tool like Texo. So go to texo.com and sign up for an account. You can get started with a 14-day free trial, no card needed. Once you're logged in, click Add New to connect your LinkedIn profile and install their Chrome extension. On the home screen, go to the automation store and search for post likers or post commenters to start your export. Once populated, click on the automation, select your input source, and paste the post URL. Run the automation, and in just a few minutes, you'll have the results at your fingertips. Pretty straightforward, right? But what if you're not sure where to find high quality posts to export? No worries, I'll show you how to pinpoint those next. Once your automation tools are set up, the next crucial step is selecting the right LinkedIn post from which to extract engagement data. Here's how to pinpoint the most valuable ones. Firstly, define your criteria. Not all engagement is valuable, so it's essential to be selective. Take some time to think about who you want to target here. Next, let's harness LinkedIn's advanced search capabilities to refine our target posts. Start by entering industry-related keywords, such as cold email strategy, apply the post filter to focus exclusively on relevant content, and use the date posted filter to concentrate on recent posts. From here, you can utilize some of the more specific filters to hone in on your ideal content sources. For example, the from member and from company filters allow you to find posts from particular influencers or organizations, including your competitors, ensuring you're tapping into the most influential content. Next, mentioning member and mentioning company are great for identifying posts that discuss key figures or entities, which often attract significant engagement. Now, to get even more specific, author industry and author company filters can narrow your search to posts created by professionals in targeted sectors or companies. Lastly, author keywords help pinpoint posts authored by key decision makers, such as VPs of sales or CMOs, aligning perfectly with your outreach strategy. Once you're satisfied with your search parameters, it's time to evaluate the engagement quality of these posts. Take a closer look at the likes, comments, and shares. Remember, posts that spark meaningful discussions are far more valuable than those with mere likes. So dive into the comment section to see if decision makers, industry experts, or potential clients are actively participating in these conversations. Next, ensure the content of the posts are directly relevant to your business offerings. Posts that address the challenges solved by your product are far more likely to resonate with an audience that could benefit from your solutions, making them ideal targets for your outreach efforts. That said, even after exporting these posts, we're still missing some crucial pieces of information. Let's move on to how we can obtain more detailed data, such as the professional emails of LinkedIn post commenters and likers, to truly maximize our outreach potential. All right, to gather all this detailed information, let's return to Texo and start chaining automations together for a comprehensive data extraction process. First, navigate to the Workflow tab on your profile dashboard. This is where you can select the platform and choose your specific automations. For this example, we'll begin by exporting post likers. Now, follow the same initial steps, but this time, add in additional automations. Scrape profile, scrape company, and finally, find email. This sequence of automations is designed to ensure we capture the most accurate and relevant data. Here's how to set up the input settings for each automation. For post likers, simply copy and paste the URL of the LinkedIn post you're interested in. For scrape profiles, choose a profile URL from the post likers data. For scrape company, select the company public URL, and for find email, use the first name and last name from the scrape profiles and add the company website URL from the company data you've collected. Once everything is configured, press the start button and let Texo run the workflow. When the process is complete, you'll find all the collected details in the data store tab. Here, you can review and filter through each automation's output, and when you're satisfied with the data, you can either open it directly in Google Sheets for further analysis or download it as a CSV file for external use. After successfully exporting your leads, the next vital step involves uploading these lists to an automated outreach tool to maximize efficiency and effectiveness. Using LGM, Lemlist, or another platform, you can set up automated personalized sequences that engage your leads across multiple channels. But here's a pro tip. Before uploading your list, add a reason for outreach column with a short personalized note referencing the prospect's company, industry, or recent activity. This step may seem tedious, but it dramatically improves response rates by making every message feel tailored rather than automated. Once updated, head over to LGM, sign up for an account, and create your first campaign. Select your CSV and upload it. Once the file is populated, confirm your column preferences and select custom attribute 1 for the reason for outreach. Simply hit import leads and LGM will start processing the data. Now it's time to set up your campaign workflow. Since LinkedIn limits the number of connection requests you can send each week, it's best to start with email as the first touchpoint. So select first email as your starting step, choose how many follow-ups you want, and let LGM generate a multi-channel outreach sequence that automates LinkedIn and email engagement. From here, customize the message templates using your reason for outreach. Click the variables button, insert the first name variable, then add custom attribute 1 to dynamically include the personalized outreach message for each prospect. After that, finalize your follow-up message templates. These can include invitations to exclusive webinars, links to case studies, or updates about the latest advancements in their field, providing value and establishing your expertise. Once satisfied with your templates, save your outreach content and launch a campaign. LGM's advanced automation capabilities will handle the scheduling of these emails and messages at the most effective times, monitor responses, and even efficiently manage follow-ups. By delegating these routine tasks to an automated system, you free up valuable time to focus more on refining your strategies and personally engaging with responses, which are crucial for converting leads into substantial business opportunities. And that wraps up our guide to transforming LinkedIn interactions into sales opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.